Hey, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are going to be installing this wig. So if you are interested, keep watching this video. So first we're gonna throw this bad boy on, and I'm using some toner to clear my skin before I add my glue. This is the glue I'm using from BRIMONIQUE. I hope I said that right, but this is a lace glue that I've been trying out and I love it. So if you are interested, I'm gonna put the link in my description box, but I'm going to apply 3 layers of this glue. Okay, and I'm gonna make sure that each layer is clear before I apply my next layer. And I'm using a back of my razor because it goes on smooth like that. So I'm going to apply my lace and I'm going to press into it very gently, not too hard but a little firm. And then I'm going to blow dry it using cool air. This is to make the glue melt, and because hot air will cause the glue to not stick. So use cool air, it'll dry the glue. And then I'm going to use my razor to cut off my extra lace. This is a HD lace also from my wig collection. So yeah, now what you see me doing is just going onto them tabs that I did not get with the glue, just to secure those down. And then what I did was I went in with my cream foundation from Ruby Kisses, my favorites. I always go a shade darker. And then I'm going to apply that, not too much, less is more. And I'm going to apply that onto my lace before I go in and wrap my lace up. And this is just to get that extra melt. I usually let my lace band sit on there for about 10 minutes or just when I'm done styling my wig. So for this style, I did some beach waves. If you want a beach wave tutorial, let me know. I'll probably make one more in depth, but this is just me doing it real quick in real time. So yeah, the key is to do like a regular curl, but when you take it out, turn the barrel like you see me doing and run the curlers down the end of the hair so you get that straight end. That's what gives it that beach wave look. So once I do that, it took me about 10 minutes to do, not too long. I went in with my part with some concealer to define it a little bit more because I love me a straight part, okay? And then I took my wide tooth comb to comb out my curls. I always use a wide tooth comb to preserve your curls if you want like loose curls or whatnot. And then I also went into the top of my head because those 2 curls that are like by my face, I always try to frame my face better because it just looks so much better to me. So you will see me go in and do that. And I also put some bio silk on my hair as well, just to give it a nice little shine and everything. But this is what I'm doing. I know I look crazy, y'all, trust the process, but this just makes the curls frame my face so much better. Like, I always have to go in and adjust my first 2 curls. You will see the difference one side. You see, ooh, look at that part. Look at that part, y'all. Do y'all see how that just did? Ooh, y'all see how that just did that? And then I spray a little hairspray on there, and boom, boom, boom. That is how we looking. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure to check out this glue. See you in my next video.